To connect a new DJI Mic 2, simply swipe down on the recording interface and tap the settings icon to access the settings page. Select Wireless Mic and tap the unconnected TX option to enter pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions for pairing. Press and hold the power button on the transmitter for 2 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold the record button on the transmitter for 3 seconds to activate the Bluetooth pairing mode. During this time, the system status LED on the transmitter will slowly flash in blue. Press and hold the linking button on the transmitter for 2 seconds, and the transmitter will initiate a search for nearby Bluetooth devices, with the LED blinking blue rapidly. Once successfully paired, the system status LED on the transmitter will remain solid blue. Upon completion of the pairing process, the interface automatically redirects to the microphone settings page, where you're allowed to tap Monitor Volume to enable the volume slider, and slide the bar to adjust the volume.